Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install Deepseek AI on your any Android phone. So simply open your Play Store, go to search option and search here. Okay, open, press on to install. Okay, press on to open, click on to agree. At first need to create account, so I'm signing in using Google, so click on select account, or if you want to add another account. Okay, now successfully sign in and you just easily use. So click on showing it to recently search history and account. If you want to change anything, press on to add new, just write something, press on and you just wait a few seconds, then you get result. So look here, I'm get result. So if you want to edit your question, so long press to edit and customize. So that's it, that's how you can do it.